Hi everybody, this is Mr. Enoch. Posting this video to kind of go over what the week of March 30th will look like. I want to start by saying I hope everybody is healthy, everybody's at home, safe with whoever you share your homes with. I hope you guys are doing well. I've been thinking about you guys all in this time because it's definitely an interesting time for us to all be experiencing. That being said, I want to talk to you a little bit about school because we are now going to have a new way to do school. So I just want to give you this video to show you a little bit of information about what the week of March 30th is going to look like because we are going to be doing some enrichment material, which is optional activities that's going to review what we've already learned, what we've already worked with in class. So this video will just go over some of the resources online and how to access it. I will have a new video every day for you guys to watch, look at, to help you guys kind of progress through the week. So first I want to start off by showing you the update section. I updated Schoology on Friday with some information. I'm going to add updates every day starting Monday. Oh, excuse me. On these updates, I'm just going to go over the general information for the day, give you a rundown of directions, just another place to access information. Where you're really going to want to be able to see is this materials folder. All the materials for Monday will be here in this folder titled Enrichment Materials 3:30 to 4:3. And I'll go into detail about how to access that stuff, what will be important for tomorrow as you go over the work for tomorrow. I'm going to start today by just reviewing what next week's going to look like, why we're doing it. And here is actually a letter I have for you or anyone at home who is curious about what the week of March 30th is going to look like. So these past few weeks have definitely been eventful to say the least. I really miss working with you guys in English class. You've been a great period one. It's always nice knowing I can show up to work and you guys are going to be there, ready to work, just smiles on your faces, treating each other nicely, which is always good to know. With that being said, I don't know what the rest of the school year is going to look like. I'm hoping that we will be back together to wrap up the school year. But I do know for the next 2 weeks that we're going to be transitioning into a new style of learning, online style. I want to update you and anyone at home about how that's going to look for English class. So starting Monday, March 30th and going through Friday, April 9th, you're going to all have the opportunity to partake in optional enrichment activities. Those are just going to relate to things we've already done in class and throughout the marking period. One note about anything you haven't submitted yet for English class is that any unsubmitted work that was assigned and due before the school year, you have the next 2 weeks to get that done, and I'll get it in the grade book and update your grades. This is going to include any missing assignments that were already in the grade book for marking period 3. At this point, I can only enter grades that were assigned and due prior to March 13th. There's not going to be any new grades for marking period 3, so your grade, besides anything you might hand in, they're pretty much set. If you were absent for any test or quiz, you can reach out to me, but I'm probably going to excuse you from that because I don't think it's really fair to have you try to make up a test in these circumstances. So your grade just won't count for or against you for any test you were absent for. Each day, next week, starting Monday, I'm going to be posting to Schoology by 8 a.m., probably before that, maybe the night before, with a daily folder. So for instance, your folder for Monday, I'll say day 1, Monday, March 30th. It's going to contain all the information and resources that you're going to need to work with for the day. It's going to include a page with directions. I'm also going to include a video that goes over the resources and goes over some of the information for the day. If you choose to submit any work, I'm going to give you feedback. I'm not going to be entering any grades for these enrichment activities. They may have a grade attached to it, but it's not going to affect your actual grade in PowerSchool. You may do all the activities, or you can pick and choose which activities you want to participate in. This is just about get you guys reading, writing, and thinking about some of the things we've already done in English class. So if you choose to complete the work posted on a different day within a 2 weeks period, that's fine. It's all up to you. So please feel free to work at your own pace, do these activities in the best way you think to complete them. And finally, if you have any questions or concerns for me, please feel free to send me a Schoology message. You can also email me at mark_enoch@hintedSD.org. In Schoology, I also have a page titled My Contact Information and Office Hours. I have office hours for the next week from 9 a.m. to 11. All that means is I'm going to be sitting at my computer waiting to immediately answer any questions or thing you need, help you with anything you need. during that time and also from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. That being said, I'm going to be ready to communicate with you throughout the day. If you email me or message me from 8 to 3:30, I'm going to get back to you within a very quick amount of time. After that, it depends. If you message me at 5 p.m., I can probably get back to you pretty quickly. If you message me at midnight, I might not get back to you the next morning, but I'm going to do my best to keep in contact with all you guys as you work through this stuff. So I'm excited about this week. I think working online can be offer some interesting things. I think it's something you guys are going to be doing a lot more of in the future here as technology increases. Um, I'll have a video for you guys tomorrow that goes over what we're going to be doing on Monday. For today, just please enjoy the rest of your weekend. Try to read and write a little bit every day. That's always just good to do because I think it's good for our souls. And otherwise, have a good day. Thanks and bye.